This video is about how to tighten the fixed bolts when the iron front fork handlebar stem becomes loose. First, loosen the screws. Next, loosen these two screws as well. Then, tighten this screw. After that, check if the handlebar stem is still loose. If it is no longer loose, then the adjustment is complete. That means we have adjusted it properly. Once adjusted, tighten this screw. Finally, adjust the handlebars, and then tighten the two screws on the handlebar stem.